Hi, I am Arun, working as a Java programmer in Spyro Solution. Here I am going to explain the concept based on the mobile computing. The topic is efficient data collection in wireless sensor network using mobile sync. How we are going to do means the normal existing the mobile nodes are situated in different places. So main sync is want to move the different locations and collect the information. The main drawback in that existing means the mobile sync have fixed timing based upon the timing only it will move. So that the fixed timing the mobile sync reach near to the one sync. That sync while transmitting the information, it will move to another sync because the mobile sync can't be able to collect whole information from one sync. That's the main drawback of the existing. So what we are going to do in suppose means we are using one technology maximum shortest path. Based on the maximum shortest path concept, we are implementing one mobile fixed path algorithm. Fixed path according to the fixed path only mobile sync will travel. Near to the fixed path, few mobile syncs are situated. That near to the fixed path mobile sync are known as subsyncs. The main sync is moving in the particular fixed path is known as main sync or mobile sync. So the nodes are situated in different directions. What the nodes will do means collect the information and identify the shortest path. Using that the shortest path concept, it identifies the shortest path of the subsync. It cannot able to communicate with the main sync. So it will give the shortest path communication and it will give the whole information to the subsync. The subsync will collect the whole information and it will wait for the mobile sync. When the mobile sync is coming in the fixed path, it will stop there and collect the whole information from the subsync, and then it will move to the next subsync. Likewise, the process is going and collect the whole information. Now I am going to explain the system architecture. It will show how the mobile sync is working. Okay, here is the fixed path. Fixed path, the mobile sync is moving as in this fixed path. In this fixed path, the mobile sync will move. These two are the paths near to the subsync. Subsync means the sync what are the mobile syncs near to the fixed path is known as subsync. Another syncs are situated in different directions. So this all nodes want to identify this subsync. Then only they can able to transmit the information to the mobile sync. Why means the subsync cannot able to communicate directly with the mobile sync. So it will find the own shortest path using maximum shortest path algorithm. Then it will give the some information to the subsync, and subsync will collect the whole information here. When the mobile sync is coming here, the subsync will distribute the information to the mobile sync. Likewise, the concept is mobile sync will move and collect the whole information to the network. This is the general architecture of our project. Thank you.